Let's dive right in. Today, we're cracking open the engineering behind truly top-tier wiring harnesses. Seriously, what actually turns a basic, standard cable into a rugged, industrial-grade powerhouse? Well, it starts with serious experience. Vitalconn has poured 15 years of R&D into this exact field. We're going to break down their core technical advantages, literally from the inside out. Let's go. It all starts at the core. Imported, oxygen-free copper with a crazy 99.99% purity. This super thick copper core means ultra-low impedance. Basically, you get flawless signal transfer every single time. Moving out, we hit this intense double-layer shielding made of aluminum foil and tin-plated copper mesh. Together, they build this massive barrier against interference, fiercely protecting that pure inner core. The payoff? Absolutely unshakable signal stability, even if you're in the loudest, most chaotic industrial environments. Now, wrapping all this is a high-quality, flame-retardant outer sheath. It's like an elastic protective armor. This thing is built to survive anything: waterproof, sunproof, oil-resistant, frost-resistant, and even anti-aging. In fact, it stays perfectly soft and flexible, even after sitting in oil for long periods. Finally, let's look at the exterior connectors. Notice how they are completely injection molded. This is crucial. It locks down solder joints, blocks oxidation, and basically eliminates short-circuit risks entirely. All these engineering choices stack up to give you completely reliable operation out in the real world. Because of this solid foundation, Vitalconn can crank out highly complex, totally custom wiring solutions. This high-end tech is an absolute must-have for things like aviation, automotive, and demanding CNC mechanics. And obviously, it's a total game-changer for sensitive medical gear, where zero errors are allowed. Plus, this isn't just talk. Their 15-year track record is backed up by hardcore global quality certifications. So, here's the real question. Are your critical systems actually built on a foundation you can trust?